everybody, this is Red. I am back with my second video. Today I will be having tilapia, but let me move it a little bit closer so y'all can see. I thought it was in the camera, but guess not. Anyway, I have some tilapia, some french fries, and some white cheddar and black pepper macaroni and cheese. This is my first time tasting it, so if I make a face, y'all, that's because I might not like it. Of course, I have some Hawaiian bread because, like I told y'all, that is my favorite bread. I have my cup with me, something to drink in it. My mama made me this cup, so this was my favorite cup. But before we get started, I would like for you to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can know when the next video is being uploaded. Y'all, I wanted to post yesterday, but my first video was so new to me from like a long time. It took so long to upload. So, but it's up there, so if you all would like to watch it, watch that one. There was some seasoning that I tried myself because I like to season my food. So I'm finna try this first because, like I told y'all, I ain't never had it before. I just taste the seasoning that I put on. Now, what can we talk about? I started a new job. So, the reason why I ain't post the other day is because I slept all day. When I say I slept all day, I slept all day. I woke up at like 10:45 in the morning, and then I watched TV, and then I was like, I'm still sleepy. So I went back to sleep. I'm a third shifter, so everything I'm talking about is third shift. So, man, I was really, really sleepy. I ain't worked third shift in like 6 months. So, of course I'm gonna be sleepy until I get a hang of it. These are seasoned fries, like the checker fries, but I buy the Walmart brand. It tastes the same to me, y'all. So I'm definitely hungry because I slept the whole day away yesterday. Got up about 6:30 today. Cleaned up my house, listened to church, and then started getting ready for my video. When I was watching the mukbangs and they were saying that it takes so long to get ready and so long to do this and so long to do that, I'm like, how long could it take to cook some food and to get the food going and to eat it? Shit. It take a minute. Like, cause it seemed like every time you get ready to do something for yourself or to do something for your mukbang, something or someone in your family needs something. So I'm finna eat some of this tilapia. Tilapia is a fish that I like. Not my favorite fish, but it's a fish that I like. Just like, but catfish is my favorite fish. That's my favorite fish. Catfish. I love it. I like catfish fillet. I don't like cod. Cod ain't one a good fish to me. Y'all, I am so ready to go outside. When I say I'm ready to go outside, I'm ready to go outside. Like, I'm ready to go to the park. I don't even go to the park, but I'm ready to go to the park. I'm ready to go to the movies. I'm ready to do a whole bunch of stuff. Y'all, I got some sriracha sauce over here. I want to try it. I like hot food. I want to try it, but I don't want to be burning. Bring my Hawaiian bread into the counter. My little place is nice. It's not. Today, I toasted my Hawaiian bread. Personal fact. That's what I had to taste for. I like this macaroni. Like I said, I'm new to this not eating meat thing. Well, I haven't had pork in like almost 20 years. Beef, I dipped and dabbed in it. I love chicken. I was a chicken connoisseur. I ate chicken all type of ways. Boiled, fried, baked. Only way I didn't eat it was raw. Man, I ate so much chicken. I began to think that I was going to cluck. Couldn't nobody tell me. They're like, man, what you want? I'm like, chicken. Chicken. I had chicken salad. All right. I'm going to just put a little right here. Because it... Oh, it's not even open. Maybe if you open it up, bread. That's how y'all know. I be buying stuff and be having stuff in my house and don't even be opening it. Like, I like sauces. I mean, hot sauce. I was a ketchup fan, but that was back in the day. You know, but just a little bit more. That was back in the day. Y'all, how y'all holding up? Like, oh, that just busted up. Y'all saw that? How y'all holding up? Like, I ain't going crazy. Because, again, like I said, I'm a third shifter. So, it be days where I have to stay in the house because I be so freaking tired. Like, ridiculously tired. So, it's just that I wasn't even going outside before the epidemic. It's just that now that you're telling me I can't go outside, I want to go outside. Let me try this. I know y'all like, you ain't even eating. You not even eating. It's sweet. I got a sweet mouth, y'all, but I don't like that. It's not. It's hot. I don't like that. And if I don't like it, my man ain't gonna like it. No. We ain't gonna try that no more. We're gonna leave that right on there. And put my... I was gonna try to mix it with this and stuff. Not with my good mix that I made. Mm-mm. I don't like that. Mm-mm. Yeah. So, y'all, all I've been doing was been watching a lot of YouTube. Been watching my favorite channels. Um, Netflix. I'm watching Lucifer on Netflix now. That's hot. And it says what it means, Lucifer. Mm-hmm. I'm more like well, this is good, but it's not sweet. That's sweet. I don't want nothing sweet. Like I have a lot of people saying, they like sugar on their spaghetti. Mm-mm. I don't eat sugar on nothing. That ain't supposed to have sugar on it. Oatmeal, sugar. I know I'm gonna get some gripe about this. Grits, sugar. Rice. Wait, before I say that, I like balsamic rice, but I don't put sugar on balsamic rice. I like jasmine rice. I don't put sugar on jasmine rice. Riceland rice, Uncle Ben rice, the rice that I grew up on, butter, black pepper, sugar. Yes, I am going to put some sugar on it. I am. Um, Spaghetti, I'm not going to put sugar on it. Macaroni, I'm not going to put no sugar on it. It's a lot of stuff that I don't. Wait. Like, wait. Let me go on record to say. It's a lot of stuff that I don't like to eat. A lot. Like, so, half of the stuff y'all won't see because I don't like to eat it. But half of the stuff that people put sugar on it, I don't eat it no way. So it don't matter if I put the sugar on it or if I don't. But back to what I was saying. I don't like that because it's sweet. Yeah. So anyway, like I was saying, I'm going nuts in this house. And how can a person that don't go outside go nuts in the house? And I got everything that I can possibly want in my house. Yeah, iPad, iPhone, iWatch, smart TV, internet. I have everything that I need in the house. But I'm ready to go outside. But the thing is, the only reason why I want to go outside is because I'm being told that I can't go outside. Y'all need to think about that. Because if y'all wasn't told y'all can't go outside, y'all wasn't going to go outside. And trust me, I know I'm going to have a lot of people watching from everywhere. So trust me. Where I live at in Wisconsin, everybody outside. Like, stay in the house. Like, this shit is real. Real, real. And the only reason why I'm not worried about it so much is because I'm an essential worker. So nurses come in contact with everything. So we should be scared, but not as scared as everybody else. Like, because we know that if we wash our hands and things of that nature, we can't catch it. So, and then on a day-to-day basis, we deal with everything. We deal with HIV, tuberculosis, upper respiratory, MRSA, C. diff. We deal with everything that can get us sick. So we should worry because it's real. Let me go on record to say that we should worry because it's real. And I do not want to go on. I want to go on record to say that I'm not discounting what's going on. I'm just saying that as a nurse, we encounter so many things on a day-to-day basis that this one we should fear, but be like, okay, because HIV is killing people, tuberculosis is killing people. The only thing that I'm concerned about is that nobody want to stay in the house. All you gotta do is stay in the house. I'm on Facebook Live. People in the park, swinging on the swings. Like what part don't y'all understand? We just want to stay in the house. But it ain't gonna hit home to some of these people until it really happened to one of their family members. Until a homeboy that they was just shaking hands with catch it. And they was just hanging with them the other day. And now they nervous. So they gonna hit home until then. I was trying to tell my daughter, stay in the house. Stop inviting people over. Whew, and that's all I hear about. That's why I watch a lot of YouTube. Not a lot of YouTube, sorry y'all. That's why I watch a lot of Netflix, because Netflix ain't got it over everything. I don't watch the news. I know it's real. They know it's real. I don't watch the news. Because it's sad how people don't listen. They just don't listen. Now it's Sunday. People can't go to church. That want to go to church. Sad. But anyway, let's get off of that. Because that just, it makes me mad. And we can go on and on and on and on. I'm going to talk about how I'm going to eat. Because y'all, like I told y'all, I'm new to this. I don't even eat buffalo. Like I told y'all in the other video, I made some meatless chili. Bam, it was really, really good. I liked it. I really liked it. No, I'm not converting my children over. My oldest is 18. She grown, y'all. She grown. So if she want to eat a ham hock leg, she eat a ham hock leg. But I know she over here eyeing my food. She waiting. But I want to go and look up a lot of recipes so I can eat. Cause I have to grocery shop for my girls and then grocery shop for me. So this is gonna be hard, real hard. Y'all, I love Hawaiian bread. My kids do too. What?
I know you didn't just push that bread away from me.
I told y'all. You want a piece of my bread?
And a piece of your fish.
Told y'all. And I told y'all.
Not a big piece, though.
She just woke up too. I love my baby. Y'all gonna be, she gonna be in my videos a lot. Cause that's my ride or die. When I tell you that's my ride or die. She my ride or die. She woke me up out of my sleep last night and was like, Mom, I'm finna go ride with my best friend somewhere real quick. She did that shit cause I was asleep. Cause she know how to be like, stay in now, stay in. She always gonna be like that. There you go, baby. You want some fries?
No, maybe so.
Yeah, so
With your piece of
and she gonna interrupt my videos all the time, and I'm not even gonna get mad at her because I want y'all to see. I want y'all to see how we interact, cause that's my baby, that's my road dog. When my little one come, hey, hold on, dip it in there. It's not nasty.
I don't like sriracha.
It's sweet. I don't like sriracha either. What made me bad?
Cause you Puerto Rican. I like this. What's in this?
I ain't telling you. All right, y'all. Our baby is woke and I'm gone. Let me know in the comments below. I accept all constructive criticism. I have thick skin. So comment. Like I said, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know when I upload the next video. Bye.